Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. We start here with a bullish count. We have to be clear here that the bullish count doesn't have so much confidence anymore. First of all, due to Bitcoin's bearish outlook, so that obviously affects ADA as well, even though all the coins move in their individual waves. But if a coin like ADA is already so close to the low, let's say the previous low here, which was at 40.3 cents, like Bitcoin is to its low, we have to be extremely careful and have to be cautious. And we just need to be aware that the bullish count here is still seriously getting challenged. Therefore, we're talking about the bullish and the bearish count. But as I said in the previous video already, the bullish count here, due to this strong retracement again to the downside, is just getting very, very difficult. Why? Because if we say from the low, which in the bullish count here, we basically at 40.3 cents we started in a wave 1, then ABC. We're coming down here in a wave 2 correction, which in the bullish count would have bottomed out here. Then we would say that the move to the upside was a wave 1. So highlighted here yesterday that in any scenario we probably peaked and then we came down. But the way we come down again, we always need to look at the structure. This structure reveals that this move down most likely was an impulse. So yes, we have one wave missing, but if we zoom in, we could already count 5 waves as complete. It's possible we could make that work. Even though I'd rather see one more move down to get 5 waves completed here, it is an impulse to the downside. Now that can mean two things. That can mean either that we are in the bearish scenario or that we are in the bullish scenario. But in the bullish one, we have basically only, so either we are still in the production of the wave A or it's already complete, but it means the wave A, however low it will come eventually, maybe it's already in, but the key here is that the wave A was very long, which means the wave B would need to be very high. Otherwise, the wave C will come down very low and will actually break possibly the 40.3 cent level, depending on how high we come in the wave B. So this should make clear why the bullish case is at the moment so difficult and it's getting challenged. Okay. At the moment, it's still defendable, but we need to understand the probabilities are very close together. And again, the ADA chart is no chart which gives me too much confidence. It's not a chart where I would, with very high confidence, would be trading here. Of course, it can be traded. I did that. I took some profits here. I made you aware, basically here at the peak at 50.5 cents. But it is a risky chart, okay? So be aware of that. We need to be aware still that a drop to 30 cents is absolutely possible. It's not out of the world and actually getting more likely with these strong moves to the downside. Now, in the bullish count, what would we expect? We would expect that somewhere here in the green area, above 44.4 cents, ideally, we are going to move higher in a wave B and then come down in a C. So target for the wave B I can give you as well, roughly between the area of 47 cents and 47.9. So between the 38.2% fib level and the 50%, maybe we're stretching all the way up to the 61.8 level at 48.7 cents. We would come then down in a wave C to finish off the wave 2. As long as we're staying above 42 cents, it will keep us, focused on the bullish case because it is defendable. But we need to understand it's getting challenged. And to a degree, I would actually prefer now a drop below 42 cents, basically because we have finally some clarity, like on the Bitcoin chart. That drop yesterday gave us some clarity. That flush, after that boring sideways movement, at least you get some movement. And for these coins to finally start moving, maybe we need another low, So that's just about that. And then obviously we've got the ADA bearish count. Need to take it very seriously as well, very seriously. But we have some confluence at the moment between these charts, which is also why I bought down here and then sold here, because if there is some confluence in both cases, it tells us they are moving together at the moment. Yeah, so you can obviously have both the bullish and the bearish count moving into the same direction at a certain point in time, and we have that situation at the moment. Also here in the bearish count, I mean, that would suggest that we have moved down in a wave 1, we have moved up in a wave 2. Also here we hit our reversal area, perfect. That was in line with the bullish count as well. We're now coming down, which was also in line with the bullish count. Here I would then also very shortly, maybe after another dip in a wave 4, again it should also ideally stay above 44.4 cents, but doesn't need to in the bearish count, to finish off a wave 1 then here, a wave 1 of the wave 3 basically, yeah. That we would then expect here a wave 2 to the upside, which basically in the bullish count we are expecting a wave B to the upside. So you would expect a retracement in both scenarios. That wave 2 could also reach here the area between 47 cents and 48.7, rather going a bit higher, that wave 2, so maybe more towards the region 47.9 to 48.7, but the 47 cent level as well is a level to keep an eye out for. But also here, yeah, we could see another low before we see that wave 2 retracement, and would then, however, come down and make a lower low. That is where they will differ, the bullish and the bearish counts, in that they are, in the bullish count we would, after the wave C, see a strong move to the upside and make it even above 60 cents. In the bearish count, however, that next move then after that retracement will be an impulsive move down that will take us below the July low at 40.3 cents. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.